Welcome back for another 5-minute market update. Bitcoin just printed a bump and run setup. Although this looks bearish, price breaking above resistance and falling back down, the fact of the matter is that Bitcoin bounced right here off of previously broken resistance, claiming this as support. The next thing that we should expect to see happen for BTC is to go up higher. The same thing that I said in yesterday's video remains true. We need to see BTC break above all these previous levels. Now, we saw one slightly higher level yesterday at 98,478. Needs to go a lot higher. But with this bump and run scenario, which is a really good scenario, we should see BTC go back up and start its way up to $100,000. Now, there is a level of confluence that we need to be careful of. Namely, honestly, I think it's going to be right about in this range. So when BTC gets up to $100,000, it's also going to be running into this line of resistance at about the same time, given how slow things are moving right now. So just keep an eye out for that. In regards to the TBO and TBT divergence, nothing really new here. But in regards to price, there's actually something good to point out. Even though we got a snap back a lot lower than we really wanted to yesterday, or rather in the last couple of hours or so, not that one, this one, the horizontal ray. There we go. You can clearly see that this low that we made at my 1 a.m. on Wednesday was higher than the previous low we had. This is good. So we have bullish ascending structure, lower. So higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That's a good sign. We don't want to see this structure get broken right now. And the next thing that has to happen is BTC has to move higher. Now, when we're looking at Ethereum also snapped back, but honestly didn't fall back as hard as BTC did, while other coins did have a little bit of a pullback. Cardano did end up bullishly breaking out yesterday because of the bullish news and moved up about 15%. So it pays to pay attention to the news, right? Now, the price has fallen back just a little bit. I'm not really worried about it. We did see a really strong RSI reset on the daily time frame. I do expect it, however, to fall back just a little bit because after being away from the TBO fast line, this pink line right here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, we finally got a touch right up to it, a kiss back up to that line. That's basically like a tap before it goes back down and it tries to push up again. Stablecoin dominance continues to chop sideways. I really just want to see this thing drop all the way down here to support, but it's going to be taking a lot longer than I expected it to. Bitcoin dominance, however, is slowly starting to drag lower, which is a good sign. Others' dominance slowly started to move up yesterday, which is nice. Now, I have a couple of tokens I want to share with you, but before I do, just a quick update from AIXBT, which is an automated AI agent. World Liberty Financial, yes, that one, just loaded up another 1,917 Ethereum worth 5 million and 830,000 Move tokens. This is insane. Now, they did transfer a lot to Coinbase Prime last week. The total Ethereum position now is at 61,000 tokens. Why does World Liberty Financial keep buying Ethereum and the price just keeps dumping lower and lower? Kind of makes you wonder, something doesn't seem right here. I agree. Now, in other market moving news, Tau, BitTensor, this one shot right up here. Actually, I'll just leave this one right here to resistance. This is a perfect test of resistance. Now, unfortunately, the price of Tau did not pierce this line, but we have it set from here to here. We have a test here, not really tests. This is the second test that we've seen, telling us this line is extremely strong and will likely continue to be respected. Now, given the huge bounce up, like 40% over 3 days, Tau is overbought. And I expect Tau to have a little bit of a rejection. Probably going to fall down just a little bit more, probably down here to 370 before it pushes up higher again. JUP is showing me some really good signs that it's going to bounce again. This has been a crazy good chart for trading. And the signal I'm talking about is a TBO close short, that orange dot right there. The last time this happened, the price of JUP shot up 54%. Back over here, we saw it shoot up 15%. Right over here, this was a false alarm. So we have 2 out of 3 being really good trades. One of them was a false alarm. I personally believe that this one is going to be another really good trade. We could see JUP go up as high as $1.18, which would be a 45% increase. And finally, Ray. Ray is also showing some really interesting signs. On the daily time frame, again, similar to Tau, super oversold, and then it whipped all the way back up to the fast line, and then it's been rejected. But look at this on the 4-hour time frame. Crazy. And look where it fell to as well. Previously broken resistance, which is now claimed as support. Now, the main thing we need to see on this chart, even though we have some bullish signs, TBO close short, TBT bullish divergence, we really want to see this chart ray go up above the 786 fib level before things really start to get bullish. But it's a good start. And just a reminder for all of you that have been following what I've been doing with this crash that we had last week, my position on LTC BTC closed and I netted a nice, where is the number? Oh, I can't see it. Here we go. I netted a nice, basically 0.01 BTC, $1,000 of Bitcoin. Other people have posted their trades too, and all that stuff's happening through the Better Traders Club. If you want access, it starts as little as $1. You can sign up in the description down below. And until the next time, you know what to do. Stay awesome and stay in the green. Peace.